At the airport terminal, the planes are landing, traveling somewhere, and it feels fantastic, rolling across the terminal floor. And the sky's so high and the ground's so low, and I think I'm dying, but I'm just being born. At the airport terminal, the planes are landing, and through the terminal we all shall go. At the airport terminal, I feel so unusual. Everybody here is having an unusual day. It's 10:24 in an unusual time zone, and I'm feeling fine in an unusual way. And we're going so high as I'm flying so low, and I'm saying goodbye to the world I know. At the airport terminal, the planes are landing. Through the terminal we all can grow. And it's time to let go, but I'm lying down on the terminal floor, and I'm running toward the terminal door. And I'm eating porridge, but I've heated it for the wrong amount of